In the United States, bankruptcy is a legal process that helps individuals and businesses eliminate or repay their debts. There are several types of bankruptcies available in the U.S., and it is important to understand which type may be most appropriate for your financial situation. The two main types of bankruptcies are Chapter 7 and Chapter 13. Chapter 7 bankruptcy can provide a fresh start for individuals by discharging most unsecured debt, such as credit card debt, medical bills, and personal loans. To qualify for this type of bankruptcy, an individual must pass a means test to demonstrate they do not have sufficient income to pay off their current debts. Upon successful completion of the Chapter 7 process, all qualifying unsecured debts will be discharged with no further obligations to pay. Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows individuals to reorganize their finances and repay their debts over a 3 to 5 year period. It is ideal for individuals who have regular income and are looking to restructure their debt payments in order to avoid foreclosure or repossession of property. In this type of bankruptcy, creditors are paid back through a court-approved payment plan instead of being discharged in one lump sum. At the end of the repayment period, any remaining qualifying unsecured debt will be discharged with no further obligations for payment from the debtor. Bankruptcy can provide relief from overwhelming debt, but it is important to understand the different types available and make an informed decision about which option is best for your individual situation. A qualified bankruptcy attorney can help you make an informed decision and navigate the process. Chapter 11 bankruptcy is a type of reorganization specifically designed for businesses. It allows companies to restructure their finances and repay debts over time while continuing to operate the business as normal. This process is largely similar to Chapter 13 bankruptcy, but offers additional protection for businesses, such as protection from creditors while the reorganization plan is being proposed and executed. Businesses may use Chapter 11 bankruptcy to reorganize their financial obligations and continue operations while restructuring their debt. This type of bankruptcy allows businesses to restructure debt payments in order to avoid liquidation, foreclosure, or repossession of property. The ultimate goal is for the business to develop a repayment plan that meets the needs of creditors and allows the business to continue operating. Chapter 12 bankruptcy is a type of reorganization specifically designed for family farmers and fishermen. It allows them to restructure their finances and repay debts over a period of time while continuing to operate their business as normal. Similar to Chapter 11, this type of bankruptcy provides additional protections for family farmers and fishermen, such as protection from creditors while the reorganization plan is being proposed and executed. Family farmers and fishermen may use Chapter 12 bankruptcy to restructure debts payments in order to avoid foreclosure, repossession of property, or liquidation. The ultimate goal is for the family farmer or fisherman to develop a repayment plan that meets creditors' needs while allowing the business to continue operating. In some cases, a debtor may choose to pursue bankruptcy protection through the filing of a voluntary petition. This type of bankruptcy is known as Chapter 9 bankruptcy, and it is available only to municipalities such as cities, towns, villages, counties, taxing districts, and school districts. It allows a business should consider Chapter 11 bankruptcy when they are facing financial difficulties that cannot be addressed with more traditional methods, such as a loan restructuring or refinancing. This type of bankruptcy can help businesses reorganize their finances to make debt payments more manageable and avoid liquidation, foreclosure, or repossession of property. In addition, Chapter 11 provides protection to the municipality to restructure its debt payments in order to avoid foreclosure, repossession of property, or liquidation. The goal of this type of bankruptcy is for the municipality to develop a repayment plan that meets the needs of creditors and allows it to continue operating. In the United States, bankruptcy is typically filed with the local United States Bankruptcy Court. The court has jurisdiction over all bankruptcy cases and proceedings, and it is in this court that you will go through the process of filing for bankruptcy. Once your case is accepted by the court, a trustee is appointed to oversee your case and help you through the process. The trustee will review your financial situation and help you determine which type of bankruptcy is best for your situation. After a decision has been made, the court will issue an order that outlines the next steps in the process. It is important to remember that filing for bankruptcy is a serious decision, so it should only be done after careful consideration and consultation with a qualified bankruptcy attorney. Bankruptcy can provide relief from overwhelming debt, but you must understand the different types of bankruptcies available and make an informed decision about which option is best for your individual situation. Asterisk. This content is for informational purposes only and should not be considered legal advice. Please consult an attorney for specific advice regarding your circumstances.